Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to turn off dial pad tones on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Well, after that here you can scroll down and then you can select sound and vibration menu. Okay, and then in this section you can scroll down again. After that, please press on additional settings. Okay, and then you can turn off the first button here. Okay, and then the dial pad tones on your device is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off dial pad tones on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.